Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to transfer file ownership in Google Drive. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To transfer file ownership in Google Drive, go to your Google Drive and select the file which you want to transfer the ownership, and then click on the three dot icon to more actions, and then go to share and click on share and type the email address of the user to whom you want to transfer the file ownership, and notify people will be selected. Here the privilege is editor. You can change the privilege, but I will not change the privilege here. And if you want, you can type a message, typing the message. Now click on send. Again, click on the three dot icon and then go to file information and then click on details. And from details, you will find manage action. Click on manage action and you will find the email address here to whom you just shared the document, and editor permission is selected. Click on editor here, and here you will find an option transfer ownership. Click on transfer ownership and a notification will be opened, transfer ownership, and here you will find an option send invitation. Click on send invitation. Now click on done. Invitation has been sent. Now I am going to the email account of the new owner. Look, the invitation email has been reached. I'm going to the email. Scroll down and here you will find an accept button. Click on accept button. You have accepted ownership of this file. Now I'm going to the Google Drive again and select the file. Click on the three dot icon here and then go to file information and click on show file location, and look, the file is under shared with me, and click on the three dot icon here and go to file information and then click on details, and here now you will find true owner is available here. This is the easiest way to transfer file ownership in Google Drive. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.